हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। आई रियली होप दैट यू ऑल आर फाइन, फिट and good. Guys, in this video I am going to show you a very beautiful smart Queen Rania is with Queen Latezia of Spain. Both are very beautiful and young ladies. Both are looking very beautiful. Queen Rania is very young. Rania Abdullah is Queen of Jordan as the wife of King Abdullah. Her domestic activities includes education, initiatives and young programs. Globally, she has campaigned for education and cross-cultural dialogues. Queen Rania best known for. In Jordan, Queen Rania's activities encompass issues such as education, health, youth, and the environment, among others. Her Majesty has been particularly vocal about the importance of cross So both are looking very pretty and very beautiful. I really hope that you also like all the images that I share with you. Keep supporting me guys and keep watching my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. God bless you.